Happy Vlogmas. Today's my boyfriend's birthday. He just went to work and I let him open one present early. I caved the cutting board. It looked so good. I was so glad because I didn't open it when it got delivered. I just wrapped it up and he seemed to really like it. So tonight I'll give him one more present, and I filmed all of the presents and me wrapping it, but I think that's gonna have to go later in Vlogmas because he watches all these videos and I don't want him to know what I got him for Christmas. Today I am gonna work really hard, be so concentrated because I have tomorrow off. Tomorrow is Friday, and the Victoria's Secret Love Shack Fancy collab just dropped yesterday. I was so sad because a lot of stuff sold out by the time it was 6 a.m. in Hawaii already. I really wanted the denim jacket, and I didn't even see my online friend. Her name is Lily. She is so sweet. Her username is passionate about pink, and she told me they restocked, and I immediately went to the website and bought, and I'm so excited. On Friday, we are going to be at the mall, coincidentally already, and they have a Victoria's Secret there, so I might run in just to see what they have in store. Surprisingly, I also ordered the Fair Isle sweater, and surprisingly, it already shipped and is scheduled for delivery tomorrow, which is crazy. I don't know how that's even possible for Hawaii, but I got an extra small in that because I wanted to wear it as like a cute little crop, very fitted, which I did with some of their zip ups in the last drop, and I was worried they wouldn't fit actually, and they ended up fitting exactly the way I wanted, kind of like that 2000s, you know, very tight fitted Jennifer's Body-esque fit. Tomorrow I'll check that out, and yeah, we're doing this Vlogmas thing. I'm really excited. Lost nails, I need to do my lashes, I need to wash my hair, I need to do all the things, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time today. So that's where we're at right now. But also I'm really excited, my Pilates machine. Well, I talked about it previously, but that clip probably won't go up till later. So I have a Pilates machine coming. I'm really excited. It's supposed to be delivered today, and my boyfriend's getting off work early, probably even before me. So he said he would set it up, and I said happy birthday to me. So I'm very excited, and more on that later, but it's gonna be a good day, and I'm gonna try really hard to concentrate and not get distracted because I feel like I'm in the holiday mood. I've been listening to my Christmas music, and we had the Christmas tree on November 28th this year. My boyfriend got it the very next day after Thanksgiving, set it up. We put the lights all up on there, and we found our special ornament that we get every year that we're together. Every year that I've been in Hawaii, at least, we get one special ornament, and the one that we got was hand painted in Maui, hand painted like from the inside, and they're little turtles with Santa hats, which is so cute, and I think it's a really fun tradition. And I'm just really excited to have a 3-day weekend. I'm in the holiday vacation mode.
Under 1,000 Christmas lights, like stars around you that sparkle from the trees. Glad I found you. I'm not alone. It's you and me.
One of the fun things about Hawaii is there's a bunch of Japanese specialty food stores, and I love perusing the aisles of different kinds of snacks and foods that I'm not normally used to eating. So I always convince my boyfriend to try something new with me, and this is Tokyo Central. It is near our house, and I am always enamored by the different kinds of flavors and things. And what snacks should we pick up this time? I haven't really decided yet, but look at all these amazing options to choose from.
But basically, they have these two big flat pancake thingies, and they put noodles and cabbage and all kinds of stuff in it, and then they cook it all down.
I think I've tried a version of this. They have a version of this in PB with French fries.
Really?
Okonomiyaki French fries.
That would be good. A little French.
The milk tea stuff sounds kind of interesting. Superior hydration.
So the argument is, do you like Aquarius or do you like Pocari Sweat?
What do they taste like?
You should try one, honestly. Just get it.
Ooh, you can make it into cream, put it on ice cream.
See this one? That's clever.
I love you, all that and dim sum. Okay, today we are hiking Diamond Head. I'm not normally a big hiker, but when in Rome, when in Hawaii, you gotta do one of their iconic hikes. So my boyfriend did this one with his parents when they were in town recently and said that I have to absolutely do it. So here we go. So here we go. We're starting our hike with the Diamond Head State Monument, and it was a really nice day out. It wasn't too sunny, and as you saw in my last video, in Hawaii, it rains randomly. It'll rain for like 5 minutes and then stop. Luckily, that did not happen on this hike today, and the sun came out right as we got towards the top. The view is so gorgeous. This is supposed to be a family hike, and I saw people with their babies strapped to them hiking this, which was crazy because it was not an easy hike, in my opinion. But we made it to the top and the view was so worth it. Look how gorgeous this is. I would even do it again. I think it's about 2 miles round trip. There's also some really cool things from World War II, like this little bunker. It's completely untouched from that era, and they let you walk straight through it to go back down the mountain, which is really cool history. Last video I was talking about how I got these PJs from Victoria's Secret on super sale. I think they're like $30. They had a flash deal. Look how cute they are for Christmas. I got an extra small and apparently that was too small. I mean, they fit, but I have to cuff the arms because the sleeves are too short, which is so hilarious. But I feel like it's still cute. I feel like nothing, I mean, they're a little wrinkly, but other than that, I feel like a nice PJ set, if you're not gonna get ready, is kind of makes you feel a little better. And I'm in the festive season. Here is our giant TV that we successfully got on the wall. This weekend we hiked Diamond Head. I have all sorts of footage from that. And we have been doing really good with, well, every day we walk Vixen, and we've been walking up this pretty substantial hill over by our house, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I feel like I'm getting in pretty good shape. We have the Pilates reformer now, so I'm going to try to add those workouts back in. I'm so excited for that, and I've just been pulling up little workouts on YouTube, and I feel like now that I'm in the hiking mood, there's a couple of other really nice hikes in Hawaii that we are gonna plan to try. Who would have thought, me hiking? It's not my favorite, but I feel like if you're gonna do it, Hawaii is the place to do it for sure. We're going casual today, makeup free. I put my hair in this ponytail. It surprisingly does not look too chaotic. I love a high ponytail. Sometimes they don't always work out well, but we're going makeup free today. I think I'm just gonna do some sunscreen. If you're wondering who Victoria's Secret Pink biggest fan is, it's me. I picked up this cute red crew neck. I have so many things that say pink on them, it's crazy. But this was another flash sale. They're doing so many of those. I feel like Victoria's Secret, and it still is, I love Victoria's Secret, but back in the day, everything was so expensive, and I'm so glad I still have some of those vintage catalog pieces. Thank you, me, for never wanting to get rid of anything. But this was on flash sale for $30, and I figured it would be so cute for Christmas. It's red, and it's got little, like, glittery flakes in it. And the shorts I'm wearing are from the first Love Shack Fancy collab. So dang cute. I did see the second launch for that. I got a few items. Honestly, I set aside some money because I knew I would love the second launch, and I ended up not getting as many things as I thought I would, so I'm really proud of myself there. I feel like the first launch was superior. What do we think? I did try to stop by the store here at the mall in Kailua. It's a small mall to begin with. Small mall. That's a tongue twister. To begin with, it's pretty small. I don't know if they even got that many items. I wanted to try on the jeans. I picked up the jean jacket. I guess I won't tell you everything I got because I do want to show it as a part of Vlogmas, but I did see the jeans restock online. Thank you to my good friend Lily, passionate about pink. She alerted me, and 2 minutes later I saw it and I secured the bag. I just guessed my size. It looked oversized, but I figured it was better to err on the larger size and get it tailored down. I'm pretty sure it's sold out again, but I love a Canadian tuxedo moment, and I will definitely show you when it arrives. Today I am explicitly forbidden from leaving the house because I guess there was a Christmas present for me coming today, and apparently it's directly from the website and I'll be able to tell what it is. So I can't check the door for any of my deliveries either. I'm pretty sure some of those items might be coming soon, but I'll definitely show them in a video. I'm so excited for that, and I'm already, yes, I am so worried about what I'm gonna do when I have to pack all of my stuff and make weight for the plane. We're still going strong with my little mini trial sized super goop. I have, ooh, you know what? I think I missed the Sephora sale. I saw they did a coupon for one-time purchase 20%, and I wanted to see if I could get it on Sephora, and I totally mind blanked and didn't order that at all. So nails have been gone for a while. I thought it'd be fun to show that as a part of Vlogmas. I stocked up on all of my self-care items during Black Friday. I have new lashes coming. These are like hanging on by a thread too. And I picked up this a while ago and I wanted to do a review on it, so I'll take this opportunity to, since I've been using it for a few months now. It's Lano Lips, and I have never tried this brand before. They had so many items, but I wanted to get the original lip ointment during the ULTA sale a while back, and it was sold out. So I picked up this as the banana balm, and it smells like banana pudding, and it's got glitters in it.
Much later.
Today ended up being a long day, but you know what always makes me feel better? ULTA. So I did order that foundation I was talking about a few days ago, I believe. My favorite one restocked. My mom told me about it. We both love it. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and this is in shade 140N. It's a pretty fair neutral shade. Yes, I just love this packaging, and I rarely go through things and hit pan and finish the whole product because I like to try so many. I've purchased quite a few of these. I want to say this might be my third one, and I finish it every time. It is just a staple. Please do not discontinue this. It is so good. And moment of truth, because whenever I order anything that's powdered, I always take a risk if they will come broken, but I did get the Morphe. This is the 3-pan blush palette. It has a cream powder and kind of like a shimmery highlight. And let's open it up. This is in shade Blind Date. It's a mid-tone pink. I feel like the pinks look best on me. Packaging is cute. Let's see. And it's perfect. It's kind of a muted pink, not super hot pink. That shimmer does look very pretty as well, and the packaging is pretty nice for a Morphe product. The price was right on this one. I really do want to try the Patrick Ta one and the One Size Beauty one. But those are a little pricey, so I'll probably wait for a sale. And then I don't know what came over me. Is it 2017, 2018 again? Those are like the heyday glory years of beauty YouTube, and I would give anything to have those back. I still have all of my Naked palettes actually. I don't think I ever picked up the Naked Smoky. And I was actually looking because all of the Urban Decay products were half off for Black Friday. I think I saw the Naked 3 palette and that's it. So I don't know if they sell the other ones. Wow, this is very hard to open, but it's also not broken. I never really quite used to get the hype of the smaller mini palettes, but now that I travel a lot, I get it. I understand. I don't want to bring my large palettes with me and risk them breaking. And I'm also really careful with all of my powdered stuff when I travel now. I put it in my carry-on because some of my really nice stuff, I was so upset when it would get smashed and ruined, and you know that TSA and the airlines are not gentle with your bag. One of the last times I traveled, I got a pretty intense dent in the side of my bag, like right in the corner, which is such an odd place to dent so weirdly. And I had to actually take a blow dryer to pop out the dent. Luckily it came out and it looks great, but I can't risk my makeup being in my carry-on, so I just carry everything with me, and I'm running to the airport with the heaviest bag ever because I am too afraid to have a carry-on that might not fit because Hawaiian Airlines has the smallest overhead bins and I'm a short girl, so imagine me trying to get into the overhead bin with everybody staring at me, and it's just like not the anxiety that I want while I'm traveling. So I try to just travel with one carry-on and I check the rest. I know that might be counterintuitive, but it is wonders for my travel anxiety, and I just want to be in comfort and peace. And if that means a slightly heavier bag to carry, if that means not being stressed getting on and off the plane with all the people and all the hullabaloo, then it is what it is. I think I have a Victoria's Secret package that was delivered today too, and I'm so excited to show you the Love Shack Fancy haul, but that is going to be another Vlogmas video, and I will see you guys very soon. And I hope you're enjoying these Vlogmas videos. Bye guys.